Ioana Popescu. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an MSI major upgrade in Advanced Installer. Start by creating a new project, then under Product Information, Product Details, name your application. Next, under Files and Folders, add your specific files for the version 1. Save and build your project. Now let's install the first version MSI. As you can see, the version 1 has been successfully installed. Now let's create our upgrade. Under Product Details, change the version. Next, choose Generate a new product code. Now add the new version resource files. Under Upgrades, leave the settings as default. Now save the project under a different name. Build the project. Now install the update. As you can see, the entry from installed apps has a new version. For more guides and tutorials, check out the Advanced Installer YouTube channel and Advanced Installer blog.